Короче, я говорю, что дело. Выжили люди, когда, не то, не знаю, как моряков, но, типа, вот у вас на улице мальчики девушки, здесь тоже не принято.
Manian,
Yeah.
if you kiss your girlfriend on the street, citizen want you or not? Нет?
Normally not someone they want to make problem with you, but generally Khmer, when we do like this, every people they look down. When hurt to your mother, your father, your family very bad, you know, generation very bad. Yeah. And then normally we cannot do that, you know. We just find a room or the forest, you know. Yeah, it's better. Yeah. Forest is better, you know. And then they call no somebody see, just you and.
Snake can join too.
Oh really? Oh my God! I think so. Oh, I cannot believe you. You say that.
No, это капель, это тоже
Да? Ну, и Россия, это это самое ценное. Просто это видишь, ты его посмотри, сделать как птица.
Да, у меня, даже фотки вон с свадьбы моих родителей, по сути, нахуй.
Nate and Alex, what you are doing today? What you are doing now?
Now?
Yeah.
Barbecue.
And
Beef.
drink beer. Where you are drink? Where you are stay right now?
At your rancho.
Monihai Homestay, right?
May I rancho
Yeah.
and villa.
Yeah.
Resort and spa.
Resort and spa. Yeah, sure. Today resort and spa. And then fantastic the cultural village with the rice farm, right?
Whoa,
Okay. Oh, cow. Yeah. Amazing.